think y'all met her earlier.
$5.
Now, she has this shelf across here, and she has this for only one reason. Now, the reason being because she tends to, as she picks that food up off the plate, instead of getting it in her mouth, she kind of just rips it off, and then she just took her shirt and looked and got it off. Now, she has gotten up out of her chair and approached Missy. I can't believe it. It's enough to just frazzle you to death. She's trying on Missy's shoes. Now,
She wanted that deal.
And the verdict is
yes,
that she can't have them. They aren't supportive of it.
That's right.
They're $5 shoes, but they're
what
not
does she
supportive
want?
of it.
$50 support?
Yeah.
That's right. Well, that's right. You're going to have to work on that.
I tell you, let me tell you, when you get old, your feet will go. They will go. And you will not be able to wear the shoes you've enjoyed all your life.
But
I'm going to enjoy them while I
Enjoy
can.
them now.
That's right.
We're not having no infomercial.
now, hey, I didn't start this madness. Now, on those $5 shoes, I know how we can make those more expensive.
How's that?
Well, we get those little inserts.
Oh!
That's what
And we can sell them to her for $50.
No, I know what you can get a good one at Walmart for $10. Because I'm wearing them in the shoes that I have.
Then your shoes would be $15.
No, I have to make a profit for all that trouble.
That's exactly right. You're going to have to pay her double.
At least.
That's right.
At least 30.
Well, I'm going to tell you, we have had
35.
so much fun here at the Helms' house. Every time a holiday comes,
Well, I think somebody's got, speaking of the Helms, what about the hostess here?
well, she's the photographer.